The Nyotreb Integrated Territorial Organization, HITO, had submitted a memorandum to the Chief Minister of Meghalaya, Conrad K. Sangma, on 6th October to request for an immediate appointment or redeployment of physical education teachers in government and private schools and colleges across the state of Meghalaya. The president of the organization, Donbok Dakhar, while speaking to newspersons, informed that as per the RTI filed with the Education Department on the 16th of July 2021 to seek information as to the number of physical education teachers in institutions across the state, stated that till date there are only 4 such teachers, out of which 2 have the required qualifications.
Primary, upper primary, secondary, but higher secondary school. But QA SSA, private, unaided deficit, Borokhat ki control ki long, Katsao Hajan dos Pak Nepsa. Kabasmo, Tamala but Kolomba. Nagini ki Katsao Hajan dos Pak Nepsa, Kinong Hikai PT teachers kidon, Tang Sao Katakabu Bomlap and Priam. Hakabar Nilap Yang Yakini ki Samut Hangne kalakran chai ba yakini kiban tap ini ka kambat kiban hikai kini ki kena ki diban pas ka physical education hapo ka diploma lene ka degree henry hangne arngot ki dei hok banyo henry kawe dei ba hapo tura udai arts and craft teachers hajwai public school udai casual teachers kane ni la dawa na ka sarkar lingbau menteri rang bakdo udai ban pentamai no bat ban create je kaneka immediate contractual appointment, redeployment, attachment of physical education teachers and qualified coaches in all the government and private school. Kenang bangin wan ra ye katakan national champion Olympian how arpsa wat arpo pra kande kandai kawai kalat lada ka sarkar kadon ke jingkit khle ban create ikini ke post Kenang ba kandai kawai kalat yo kam yo jam iki khon samla jungi kibla pa sekene katkum ka official record bangi yo yakini kibla pa sekene ke PET kibla don ka degree ba ka diploma ki don kum arts pangot te mangi pangi dawa daga pho hajar ban create kata ka post halor kanong rem ba ki retired coach ki qualified coach but kino ki be don bentah ka sport ki de maki ken ban long jenuwen ban hikai khnang ba inla ban ra sya kata ka sport kalong ka fitness ban light na kano ga jingma hapo hangni state ko jingi.
Donbok Dakhar therefore urged upon the state government to review the matter and issue necessary advisory to the Education and Sports departments as well as to the Sports Association of Meghalaya to enforce the Meghalaya sports and youth policies and not to hamper their implementation in order to be able to produce national champions by 2024 and Olympians by 2028.